ओके बच्चों, आज हम क्लास 10 का चैप्टर 2 का एक्सरसाइज 2.3 करते हैं। इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखिए, डिवाइड पोलिनोमियल पी एक्स बाई पोलिनोमियल जी एक्स। इसको मैंने शॉर्ट फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है, आपको एनसीईआरटी बुक में पूरा क्वेश्चन मिल जाएगा। मेन चीज़ ये है कि आपको पी एक्स जो पोलिनोमियल है उसको जी एक्स से डिवाइड करना है। नाउ लेट अस टेक दिस पोलिनोमियल पी एक्स एंड डिवाइड इट बाई जी एक्स बाई लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड। Now see here in question, this has a degree 3 and here the divisor has degree 2. Okay, so we have to equate this first term, we have to make this also x3, we have to take here x3. So for making here x3 we have to multiply something in this term so that it will become x3. I know by the rules of power and exponent कि अगर मैं इसको 1x से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो ये पावर प्लस हो जाएगी, उसके साथ 2 + 1 3 हो जाएगा। सो आई विल टेक हेयर x, सो x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर दैट विल बी एक्स क्यूब, देन x इंटू 2 व्हाट इज 2x, राइट। अब नाउ यू हैव टू राइट 2x हेयर और हेयर और हेयर, सो यू विल राइट 2x in the like place, same place, right, like terms. Another method for solving this problem is that you can modify this divisor also. Okay, so I will show here. I can modify this divisor like this if you feel problem in solving like this. So I can write this as x square, and we know that this is having power 3, so second term should be having power x raised to power 2. So I will write here plus or minus whatever you can take 0x, right, then minus 2 in this way. So the same divisor I have written in terms of x also, but I have taken 0, so this total is 0, so there is no change in the divisor. Now I can say x into x square is x cube and x into 0x is 0x square, so here I will write 0x square, then x into 2 minus 2x. Okay, so now subtract it, minus minus and this is plus, so this cancelled and this will be minus 3x square and this is plus 7x and this is 3. Okay, so I have seen that by adding this term we can do this is easily. Okay, so this is our, now what should be another term here? Now here is x square and here we are having also x square, so both are same, that means we don't need x. तो अब मुझे x नहीं चाहिए, केवल मुझे ये -3 चाहिए, तो मैं यहाँ प्लस की जगह -3 लिख देता हूँ। तो -3 इंटू एक्स -3x स्क्वायर और -3 इंटू 0x, सो -0x हो जाएगा, देन -3 इंटू -2 +6, राइट। और यहाँ पे मैंने क्वेश्चन ये थोड़ा सा गलत लिख दिया, दिस वाज द माइनस, राइट, सो दिस इज माइनस. So now change the sign, cancelled, and this is 7x and this is minus 9, right. So now you can see that in divisor the degree is 2 and in remainder degree is 1. Okay, and here also all the terms are finished. So in this case, when the degree of the remainder is greater than degree of the divisor, you have to leave this question here, this will become your remainder. So this is your remainder and this is your quotient, right. So these are your answers. Okay, second part of this question is px is equal to x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and gx is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Now you can modify this question as per your convenient. अगर आप डायरेक्ट करना चाहते हैं डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज हम क्या करते हैं, जैसे 4 पावर है, यहाँ पे 2 पावर है, 3 पावर वाली टर्म मिसिंग है, सो वी कैन मॉडिफाई दिस एज x4 माइनस और प्लस 0x3 और फिर ये बाकी क्वेश्चन एज इट इज हम लिख देंगे। इससे क्या होगा कि जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारी सारी टर्म्स हमें मिल जाएंगी, हमें ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा कि किस टर्म को कहाँ पे रखना है। सो नाउ दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस, and here also see x square, and generally we first take this term here, so instead of writing 1 I will write this here and this here, so minus x, but be careful about the sign of the terms. Now you divide it, x4 minus 0x3 minus 3x square plus 4x y plus 5, this is divided by x square minus x plus 1, right? Now see, there is x square and there is x4, so I need x square, so that x square into x square will become x4. Now x square into, okay, x square into minus x, that is how much, x raised to power 3 with minus sign, so here we will write x raised to power 3. Now this is the benefit of adding this term, because we get this term with x cube. Now x square plus 1, that is plus 1x square, okay. Now subtract this term, so minus plus minus cancelled, and this is also plus x cube, right? And minus minus will become 4 minus x cube, x square, sorry, then plus 4x plus 5, okay. Now again this is x cube and this is x square, so I need 1x, so x into x square, that is x cube, and x into minus x, so minus x square, right? Then x into 1x, subtract, cancelled, and this will be minus 3x square, and this will be plus 3x plus 5. Now this is x square, this is also x square, that means you can divide, so minus 3 into x square minus 3x square, and minus 3 into x, so minus minus plus 3x, and 3 into plus 1, that is minus 3, okay. Now change the signs, plus minus plus cancelled, and this will become how much, this is plus and this is minus, so 0, and this is plus 8, so you can say remainder is 8, and quotient is x square plus x minus 3, okay. Okay, now we are taking question 2, first part. We have to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial or not. ठीक है, हमें पता करना है ये इसका फैक्टर है या नहीं. We know that when we check such type of problems, so अगर मैं इसको इससे डिवाइड करता हूँ, if the remainder comes 0, then this will be factor of this, otherwise not, right? अगर ये इससे डिवाइड करने पे इसको रिमाइंडर हमारा 0 आ गया, जैसे कि हमें पता है अगर 6 को मैं 3 से डिवाइड करता हूँ तो 3 2 जा 6, रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया, दैट मीन्स 3 इज ए फैक्टर ऑफ 6, राइट, और 6 इज ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 3, सो ये दोनों इसके फैक्टर होते हैं अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट वी विल यूज हियर टू वेरीफाई वेदर इट इज ए फैक्टर और नॉट. सो लेट अस डिवाइड 2 t raised to power 4 plus 3 t raised to power 3 minus 2 t raised to square minus 9t minus 12, and this whole is divided by t square minus 3, okay. Now let us divide it. So I have already told you that because there is cube term and there is no t term, t square, then there should be t term. उससे फ़ायदा क्या होगा, when we will divide we will get all the terms. So हम इसको modify कर सकते हैं, वैसे तो आप direct भी कर सकते हैं, but let us modify this. So how we will modify it, we will write like t square plus 0t minus 3. Now our job will be easier. So t square and this is t4 and there is also 2, so I want 2 also and t4, so I will write here t square. Now 2 into 1 2 and t square into t square 2t4. now 2t square into 0t, so plus sign होगा 0 into 2 0 एंड टी स्क्वायर इंटू टी क्यूब. सो ये हमारा फ़ायदा होता है इसको ऐड करने से, ये टी क्यूब की जगह टी क्यूब आ जाता है. देन 2 into 3 minus 6 t square. Now subtract, so sign will be changed and this is 3t cube and this will be 4t square and remaining terms copy here. Okay, now t square and this is t cube, so I want 1t, then there is 3 and there is 1, so I want 3 also and plus sign both, so I will put here plus sign. Now 3t into t square 3t cube, then 3t into 0 that is 0 t square and 3t into this minus 9t, change the sign, cancelled and this is also cancelled. So we get 4t square and minus 12. Now see here 4 here 1, so I want 4 t square and t square, so there is no need to take t, only 4 into t square 4t square. देन 4 इंटू 0t, 0t gt की जगह यहाँ पे नहीं बची, उसको छोड़ दीजिए, वैसे भी 0 है. 4 3 जा 12 with minus sign, so minus 12 minus this is plus, cancel 0. Now you can see here as remainder is 0. When remainder is 0 you can say this is the factor of this, so you can write t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t4 minus 3t plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay, so in this way we can do other parts of this question also.